Alright, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Cartoon Cat Builds. I'm Skipper Lee and I've been drawing guns for the past 15 years. So this is gonna be another Helldivers episode where we'll be putting together the AR-23P. So we are gonna jump right in, and if you see here we have the parts. So we're gonna convert the AR-23 Liberator into the AR-23P Liberator Penetrator, which you can see here. These are pretty much the only different parts that I've drawn from the weapon. As you can see here, for the AR-23P, we have a different uppercase the shell for the receiver. So we are gonna take that off here. We're just gonna replace it over just like this. And put this charging handle back out here. And then it also has a different handguard and bottom rail assembly. So we're just gonna get rid of these two, as well as this bottom rail here, and just put this thing back like this. So I have maintained the alignment for slots like this. And we are going to get rid of the shorter barrel, as you can see here, hidden in the back, and the muzzle thread protector as well. And we have the same cutouts here. We have this same piece here with the cutout for cooling the barrel. So we're gonna align. We're gonna remove the thread protector first, and then we'll align the longer barrel with this barrel. So we have a much longer barrel. We're just gonna group this together and bring this back so that it lines up like this. So we're gonna group these two, and then we'll send this barrel to the back. So you can see it lines up with the ejection port here, like so. And then we just remove the shorter barrel here. And we have a different side rail section as well. So we're just gonna bring this up to the front and align the Allen key screw holes here like this. And then we have the muzzle device and the, I wouldn't call this, this is not exactly a gas block, but it looks like a front side post, but then again you can't see anything because it's not tall enough to actually be a backup iron sight. But it has a small notch here at the top here that you would think it would be an iron sight front sight post, but yeah, it doesn't make sense because it's not tall enough to actually see over the big piece. And yeah, this is a really quick one, and there you have it. We just converted the AR-23 Liberator into the AR-23P Liberator Penetrator. And let's make this a separate group. Let's duplicate one for the thumbnail, and let's just make a quick adjustment, and let's just throw this away, and let's just add more barrel length. So basically the AR-23P fires the same caliber, the same cartridge as the AR-23, which is the I believe it's 5.5 by 50 millimeters, and based on the wiki, it says for the Liberator, for the original Liberator, it fires full metal jacket rounds, and for the AR-23P, it fires penetrator rounds, hence greater penetration. Like for the Liberator, it's light pen, and for the penetrator, it's medium pen. So let's add more penetration. So we're gonna duplicate this, and then just add. We're just gonna add like 5 inches to the barrel, 5 more inches or 6. So yeah, that's 5 more inches. And let's extend the handguard as well by 5 inches, or maybe not. Let's make it so that we have equal sections of this, so that when we make the adjustments here, we know. So I'm just gonna draw a line here, so that's 70 pixels, and then I'll just extend this by 70. So we have a slightly longer handguard to match, as you can see here. And then we will extend the bottom rail section as well. So extend it all the way to the front here, and then add the corresponding slots. So we can have a bottom rail that extends all the way. And then we're gonna do the same with the upper receiver, with this top half as well. So we're gonna drag this all the way front. Take these parts, hinges, and just extend it all the way here. And then we're extending the top rail as well. And adding the corresponding rail slots to fill the length of the top rail, like so. And if there's one thing I've noticed while drawing Keldava's weapons, is that a lot of the rail sections seem to have inconsistent spacing. Like for example, you would see the central portion of the rail sections have regular spacing for all of the slots, and then at the fronts and backs, it's not exactly the same for every rail section, and it differs from one weapon to another. So that's one thing I've noticed. And yeah, there you have it, an extended AR-23P like piercing penetrator, because an even longer barrel should give a much fuller combustion of the propellants, and thus resulting in greater muzzle velocity and more energy on target, yada yada yada. So yeah, on top here we have the AR-23P Liberator Penetrator, and at the bottom we have our own tweak, the AR-23PP, the Liberator Piercing Penetrator. And hope you guys enjoyed tonight's quick mashup. Not exactly a mashup, but just some fooling around with the artwork. So thank you guys for sticking around. Hope you guys like what you see. If there's anything you'd like to see more from Helldivers, or from other games or movies or IPs, stuff like that, let me know in the comments. Just drop a name. If there's anything you'd like to see drawn or mixed together, mashup, kit bash, frankengun, whatever it's called. And yeah, just let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. I'll be posting every Thursdays. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. And thank you to these amazing people on Patreon for supporting Pew Doodles. So every bit helps. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. So see ya.